The Staff Selection Commission has released a notification about recruitment of post of constable on general duty in Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Force, Sahasra Seema Bal, Secretary Security Force, and riflemen in Assam Rifles. The start date for online application is 17 July 2021 and the last date to submit online application is 31st August 2021. Let us have a look on the eligibility criteria. The candidate must be a citizen of India, and coming to the age limit, the applicant should be of age 18 to 23 as on 1st August 2021. Also, there are some upper age relaxations permittable for some category applicants like SC, ST, OBC, ex-servicemen and children and dependent of victims killed in 1984 riots or communal riots of 2002 in Gujarat of unreserved and OBC category. Coming to the educational qualification, candidate must have passed matriculation or 10th class examination from a recognized board or university. Also, there are some incentives or bonus marks for NCC certificate holders according to their grades. There are in total 25,271 vacancies for these posts. For BSF, there are total 7,545 vacancies. For CISF, there are 8,464 vacancies. For SSB, there are 3,806 vacancies. For ITBP, there are 1,431 vacancies. For AR, there are 3,785 vacancies. For SSF, there are 240 vacancies, along with male and female. So, there are total 25,271 vacancies for all these forces. Interested candidates may apply through the link given in the description, and applications will only be accepted through online mode. The mode of selection is purely based on the computer-based examination followed by physical and medical tests and document verification. Coming to the examination pattern, the computer-based test will be of 90 minutes, which would contain 100 objective type questions divided into 4 sections: general intelligence and reasoning, general knowledge and general awareness, elementary mathematics, and English and Hindi. The examination will be conducted in English, Hindi medium only. 1 mark will be awarded for correct answer and 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. The questions in computer based examination will be of matriculation level only. The syllabus for general intelligence and reasoning is analytical aptitude and ability to observe and distinguish patterns, which will be tested through questions principally of non-verbal type. This component may include questions of analogies, similarities and differences, spatial visualization, spatial orientation, visual memory, discrimination, observation, relationship concepts, arithmetical reasoning and figural classification, arithmetic number series, non-verbal series, coding and decoding. The syllabus for general knowledge and general awareness will be the current affairs of India, its neighboring countries, especially penetrating to sports, history, culture, geography, economic scenes, general politics, Indian constitution, scientific research, etc. The syllabus for elementary mathematics section will be whole numbers, decimals, number systems, computation and fractions and relationship between numbers, fundamentals of arithmetical operations, percentages, ratio and proportions, averages, interest, profit and loss, count, mensuration, time, distance, ratio and time and work, etc. In the language test of English and Hindi, candidates' ability to understand basic English and Hindi will be tested. After qualifying the computer-based examination, the candidate would be selected for physical efficiency test and physical standard test. If all the required conditions are satisfied by the candidate, then they will be proceeded to document verification, and after clearing the document verification process, they will be posted. Coming back to the application process, they have to upload their photograph in the format of JPEG of size 20 KB to 50 KB. Also, they have to fill all the required details or all the mandatory fields according to their 10th class certificate or matriculation certificate. The application fees is ₹100. Women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST, ex-servicemen are exempted from payment of fee, and the payment of ₹100 should only be done through online mode before the closing date of the application. The online fee payment can be done before 2nd September 2021, 11:30 pm. The applicant must have a valid mobile number, email ID, and any one of the identity proofs such as Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, passport, driving license, school or college ID, employer ID if the candidate is government, PSU or private employee, and information about the board roll number and year of passing of matriculation. For any person with disabilities, they have to submit their disability certificate along with the disability certificate number. While filling the online application, please make sure that every field is filled according to the 10th class certification in order to avoid complications while verification.